I do emergency evacuation clinics for communities and boarding facilities and all that stuff. And one of the things that I encourage, which I hope we're seeing a difference here because I've done a ton in Ventura County, is that people during the weather warnings, they start putting identification on their horses at that time. So there's a company called Equestrisafe that makes these ID bands. They're fluorescent and the telephone numbers are sewn in to the bands, and they have pressure releases. They've been tested. So if the horse gets something stuck on it, then it'll break away at a certain pressure point. But because they're so bright, like you've seen Vivo and Salams, those things are 5 years old and you can still read the telephone number on them. I mean, they're super cool. Pardon? Yeah. And they have neck bands that are actually neon orange, and they have pockets. So for the clinics, I tell people pre-fill out the information on those pockets. Don't put it on till you're here or till the horse is loaded, because you don't want it on in a fire. But if you have something like that on, you have additional identification for the animal. But there's other stuff, but that's from Equestrisafe. She has all kinds of cool stuff, actually. She's just about to release these little laminated plaques that show the horse's medication history, temperament, resting pulse, resting heart rate, all of that stuff.